Hi, welcome to Radiant Mind Academy. My name is Goodluck. Today we will discuss about exponential equations, or what we call indicial equations. We will solve these three examples given to us, and with these examples we'll be able to strengthen our knowledge on indicial equations. Let's start with number 1. So number 1 says 3 raised to the power 2x equal to 27. So this is an example of indicial equation. So all we need to do here is to find a way if our bases are going to be equal or if our index are going to be equal. If any of them is equal, then we are at the right path of getting our solution. So we know that we can be able to express 27 as a power of its base. So 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 27. So we can write that 3 raised to power 2x is equal to 3 raised to power 3. So since the bases are equal, so we have that the power must be equal. So this we have that 2s is equal to 3. So s will be equal to 3 divided by 2. That is our answer. Now, number 2 is given to us. So for number 2, we have 32y equal to 0.25. Now at the right hand side, we can express 0.25 as a fraction of 100. So I can have 32 or raised to the power of y equal to 25 divided by 100. Now this I know, I can write 32 raised to the power of y equal to 1 divided by 4. Now if you see, we are trying to see that to raise 32 to the power of its base, so I can write that 2 raised to the power of 5 is equal to 32, or raised to the power of y equal to 1 divided by 2 raised to the power of 2, because 2 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 4. So from our negative power law, we can have that 2 raised to the power 5 or raised to the power y equal to 2 raised to the power negative 2. So this can be written as 2 raised to the power of 5y equal to 2 raised to the power of negative 2. Now since the base are equal, we have 5y equal to minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2 divided by 5. That is the answer. So number 3 is given us 3 raised to the power 2x minus 3 raised to the power 2x minus 1 equal to 18. So I know that this can be written as 3 raised to the power 2x minus 3 raised to the power 2s. Since we have a negative sign, to be divided by 3 from our law of indices, which is our division law, that when the bases are the same, you subtract their powers. This will be equal to 18, and I can write that 3 raised to the power 2x minus 3 raised to the power 2x all divided by 3 equal to 18. Now on the left hand side, we can factor out 3 raised to the power 2x. So I have 3 raised to the power 2x open bracket 1 minus 1 divided by 3 equal to 18. So from what I have in the bracket, I I can take LCM. So I will have 3 raised to the power 2s bracket. LCM is 3. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So equal to 18. So we have 3 raised to the power 2x open bracket 2 divided by 3 equal to 18. So we can divide the equation through by 2 divided by 3. So we have 3 raised to the power 2x equal to 18 divided by 2 divided by 3. Mathematically, this can be written as 3 raised to the power 2x equal to 18 times 3 divided by 2. So I know that if 2 come into 2 is 1, 2 come into 18 is 9. And I have 3 raised to the power 2x equal to 9 times 3. So 9 times 3 is 27. So we have 3 raised to the power 2x equal to 27. Now I have to write 27 as the power of its base. So I'm going to have 3 raised to the power 2x equal to 3 raised to the power 3. So because since their bases are equal, so the power also should be equal. So we have 2x equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 divided by 2. That is the answer.
Please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and don't forget to comment and share this video.